My revolver, my Smith & Wesson Mark 6 revolver, resin prop replica. Check it out, you guys. Whoa! Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Yes, I'm a geek, and here are some more of my screen-accurate cosplays, but I'm not the only one out there with this level of overkill. There are countless other geeks just like me crafting incredible screen-accurate cosplays on my Facebook forum of OCD Insanity, the Screen Accurate Cosplay Group. It's a safe, supportive space for every level of screen accuracy from beginner to expert, and showcases the hero's journey of everything in between. With hundreds of members worldwide, you can find every fandom under the sun and may even learn a thing or two about how to level up your cosplays in order to mirror your favorite characters.